I've been saving a ton of viral fashion TikTok hacks, so today we're trying them out with my own wardrobe to see what actually works. Oh. Alright, this seems pretty easy. Cute! Okay, so for this hack, all you're gonna need is a long sleeve. This is a long sleeve I'm gonna be using. So basically, you're gonna take out your sleeves first. Let me do this facing this way so I don't flash anybody. So you're gonna start off like this. Bring in your sleeve, one sleeve, and then the other. And she just ties the two sleeves together in the front. So this is what it should look like, and then she kind of ties it up at the top like a halter. Let's do that. Let me turn around to show you guys. Let's just tie. This is kind of cute. It did lift a little bit here because the sleeves are a bit short. But is this a vibe? Do we like this? This is cute. So this fashion hack definitely worked. Wait, this is adorable. And it seems pretty easy to do. All you really need is a scarf, a safety pin, and a hoop earring. So this is adorable. So you'll need a long scarf. This is the one I'm using, just like a pink butterfly scarf. You'll also need either a little bracelet, a hoop bracelet, or a hoop earring. You're gonna need two safety pins. So she puts one end of the scarf through the hoop, and then she kind of pulls it back up to like right here. So like, I guess like a quarter way of the scarf. She's safety pinning this together. So this is what it should look like. Hoop on this side, and then a section like this. So what she does is she places the belt, and make sure to look at the back and make sure it's flat, because that's a mistake I made earlier. I didn't have it flat, so it looked weird from the back. So just make sure it's flat. Yeah, there you go. It's flat. So after this, she just basically goes in the hoop like this, like so. You make it as tight as you want. I think I want it like this tight. And what she does is she just safety pins it. So I'm just gonna safety pin it. Oh, scary, I don't want to poke myself. Look. Okay, it's safety pinned. That was actually kind of a workout. See, the thing is, I don't know how she did it, but every time I do it, it bunches at the back. So, I don't know. That's my only complaint. It bunches in the back. But from the front, it's cute. If you figure it out, let me know. Yeah, I really do like the way it looks from the front. I don't know about from the back. I still approve of this fashion hack. Okay. Wearing it upside down? Oh snap, wait, that's actually pretty cute. Oh. Oh, I love the little hood. Wait. Okay. For this one, you just need a very large t-shirt. This one's the one I'm gonna be using. It's a chaperone shirt. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be wearing it upside down like this. So I don't really get the concept yet. I'm just gonna put it on and go from there. I think I got it. So we're gonna put our head through. Hopefully my hair doesn't get messed up. It's okay. Okay. And then this hand goes in here. It's pretty tight. It's pretty tight. Okay. Okay, wait, I think... Oh, wait. Okay, okay. Wait! I think I got it. I think... Wait! Let me take off this top. This is so cool. Wait. Wait, if I wasn't wearing my little bun, this would look cooler. Wait! Wait, just ignore my bun. It just looks weird with my bun. But, wait, this is actually really cool. Okay, it does look a little silly, right? But what does the back look like? The back is insane. Do you guys see? Okay, I feel like it would work if I wasn't wearing a bun. So try this out without a bun. It will definitely look cuter than this. So let me know. Okay. Oh. That is cute. Okay, so we just need a long sleeve for this one. Cute. Okay, let's try it. We just need a long sleeve for this one. So make sure your long sleeve is backwards like this. So the back of the shirt is the front, right? And now you're just gonna tie it in the back like a halter. And then now you're gonna get the two sleeves. First, let me take this off. So you're gonna take the two sleeves back and you're gonna make a knot in the back. Like so. So make it pretty tight. I think, should I make a bow? Or, yeah, I'm gonna make a little bow in the back. So this is what the top looks like. My only thing is, what is this? But it's still really cute. I love this. It's so chic and cute and girly. This is another fashion hack that is good. So that is the end of the video. Let me know what your favorite hack was. And also let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!